Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn of AhmedDunn.com. Today I'll have another episode of review video and I'll be looking at the BOYA microphone for smartphone, which I have it right here. If this is your first time or repeat visit, thank you for your support. On this hybrid channel, I'm always trying new and different ideas to take you beyond boundaries. If you're into thinking outside the box, this is the channel for you. If you're looking for more review videos, there'll be links in the description box below. So I was looking for a microphone for my smartphone, which I have it right here. Because I do some live streaming where the phone microphone just doesn't cut it. So after searching, I stopped at the BOYA M110, and today I'll talk about how is the quality and whether this is a good or bad. So the box comes like this, and some of the features we have here. This is 3.5mm TRRS microphone. So which would be very good for or suitable for smartphone, laptop, tablet, and others. And then this is 50 Hz to 18 kHz frequency response, and then plug and play operation, and 180-degree rotating head, which I'm going to show you shortly. So this is convenient for capturing audio from all direction, and they also included a windscreen. So what comes in the box is that this case, which is to keep the microphone, and it has two separate sections, and this is the hard shell case, and then here we have the microphone. So you can see that this is really tiny, and this actually moves, so you can just move it the way you want, 180 degree, as you can see. So you can just move it, and then they attached a wind foam. But I think this is not going to last too long, so maybe you need to buy a separate one. And then here they also have included a sticker, and then a manual or brochure, and then a warranty card. So basically that's all it has. Okay, so I'm just going to record on my phone, and I'll attach this audio from the phone. Hello, this is a testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is a testing without BOYA mic for a smartphone. This is a testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so you can see that I stopped it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to attach BOYA microphone to the phone, and you can see that it has external microphone detection, so it knows that I added external microphone. And I'm just going to attach the wind muff as well. Okay, so I attached the wind muff, as you can see. Actually this is not coming on the camera all the way, but I think still it's good for good that it shows a little bit. So let me just see how far I can maneuver. Okay, looks like it doesn't come beyond this, but I think this is good enough. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just talk now using the BOYA microphone BOYA M110, and then you can see the quality in audio. Hello, this is a testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. I'm using BOYA M110. This is a testing 1 2 3 1 2 3. Hello, this is a testing 1 2 3 BOYA M110. Okay, so once you listen to the audio, then you're going to have an idea. But I noticed a significant increase in audio quality when I'm doing live streaming using the microphone. So this is not going to give you a heavy or a lot of superior audio quality for sure, but definitely this is going to be better than phone's own microphone, because usually phone audio system is not that good. So when you are attaching a additional or external mic, definitely you're going to see the improvement. In terms of price, I think I paid around $30 to $35, and they have the same thing for USB-C connection as well. My phone is Google Pixel old version, so still it has 3.5mm jack or audio input, but some of the newer phones, they don't come with this anymore, so you have to use the USB-C version for those. So overall, I'm happy with the product. I cannot find anything to complain. This is very small and very easy to carry, so you can take it anywhere. and when you are using your phone to record video or audio, definitely, you know, this is going to improve the quality and make it sound a lot more better. And this was not a paid or affiliated review. I purchased this with my own money, and that was the BOYA M110 miniature condenser microphone for smartphone. For the next review video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.